Good morning. Welcome to our backyard again. Hi, I'm Roxana, and I'm here today to share you some information on garlic mustard. Back in May, I did the short video on spring edibles and showed garlic mustard that was just about to flower. Today, I'm going to show you more phases of garlic mustard. So, garlic mustard is a biennial, which means that garlic mustard takes 2 years to go from seed that germinates to form these little clumps of leaves. So this is year 1 of garlic mustard. So, and I've got a couple plants here. So, yep, each one of these this year germinated from last year's seed. Okay, so this is year 1. So it'll just grow in the vegetative state all summer. And then next year, it produces the flowers and the seed pods. So here we've got the beautiful flower. So you can see the 4 petals. This means it's a dicot. And then, yes, it's the leaves of the garlic mustard that are edible. So you just pick part of it or pick the flowers off. What I have also done, because garlic mustard is classified as an invasive weed in Ontario, so sometimes I dig out the whole root stock. So compare first year root to second year root, and it gets massive in the second year. So you can see from the root through the stems and the leaves all the way up to the top with the flowers and the seed pods. So this is how the seeds form. So each flower at the top, the little white flower, gets pollinated, and then these turn into the seed pods. So I've never eaten the seed pods, and I don't know anyone who does. We put the seed pods in the city compost, where they're heated at a high temperature to turn into garden compost. We also have 3 bins in our backyard where we can put, like, if this is what's left, then I would just put this in our backyard compost. But the seeds, because we don't want to be part of spreading it, even though it's yummy, we put the seed pods in the city compost. So this is the edible part again. What I've collected to show you today, I will put in a little stir fry for supper tonight. And so again, yeah, you can pick the whole root in the second year and then bring it inside and pick off the leaves for your salad or stir fry or shake, smoothie. Once they've started to go to seed, the leaves do get a bit more bitter. So if you like bitter greens, then you can eat them raw. If you want to soften the bitterness, then sauteing, steaming is better. And so again, the seed pods and the little flowers in the garlic mustard. So enjoy your wild harvesting, enjoy your wild crafting, enjoy eating local. This is as local and fresh as you can get. So enjoy eating local and fresh, healthy, happy, nutritious food. So have an awesome day, and I'll catch you again here soon.